everybody, welcome back to my time 123, and today we're gonna see what the budgies up to again. Okay, let's see. Oh, so remember the yellow one is Lal and the blue one is Hans, guys. Ooh, so Lal is enjoying himself in the middle, and Hans wants to look in the middle too. They're hanging around the middle. We put this up in the morning to see if they want apples, but I don't think they want apple. And look, the apple's getting kind of orangey. Ooh, we're looking. Let's see. Hans is having a great time. Hans is having a great time, guys. So right now Hans is just not really doing anything. And now let's see what Lal is doing. Oh, Lal. What are you doing, Lal? Oh, they're having some fun together, guys. Okay? So having some fun together. This is kids, guys. Here you go. Ooh! Having some more fun. They went back to their places. Ooh. Ooh, budgie. Oh, look. He went back there. The yellow budgie's there. The yellow budgie went back to his place before.
You're going too near.
Okay. The yellow budgie went back to where he was before. I think the yellow budgie is scared a little bit. A little scared, guys. So now they're basically just chilling, doing really nothing. So they're basically chilling around this place, not really doing anything, guys. Do some budgie. So I don't know what they're doing. So now they're basically just doing the same thing. Do something good. Now do something interesting. He's enjoying the magical swing. Lal is enjoying the swing. And look, Hans is right down there. He looks like he's hungry for seeds. Hungry for seeds. Oh, you Hans. Hungry for seeds. Hans is like, I'm jealous. I want seeds. Where does he get seeds? Where does he get an award for being good? I need seeds. I need seeds. I know your pain, Hans. I know your pain, Lal. I know your pain. So, Hans, what are you doing? You're just having fun or something? Oh, God. Some fun. So, today, do something cool. Ooh, what did they do? That's cool. One. I think they're enjoying it. So they're having a really great time. So they're basically just really not really doing anything. So yellow budgie. Hello, Lal. Lal. So So I hope you enjoyed this video and hope the budgies are having fun. And tomorrow we'll have another video to see what the budgies are up to tomorrow. See you guys.